Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're watching this, chances are your Dell XPS 13 has a damaged screen. Whether your screen is cracked, has dead pixels, or isn't working, I've got you covered. Follow along as I walk you through the process of removing the old screen and installing a new one. Let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need. Pentalobe P5 screwdriver, T5 Torx screwdriver, plastic prying tool, replacement screen. Ensure it's compatible with your Dell XPS 13. Removing the base cover. Let's begin by removing the base cover. Use your Pentalobe P5 screwdriver to remove the 7 screws holding the it in place. Once the screws are out, take your plastic prying tool and gently work around the edges of the base cover to pop it off. Don't force it, just be patient. Now that we have access to the internals, let's disconnect the battery. This step is super important for safety. Use your screwdriver to remove the screw on the battery connector, then gently disconnect the battery from the motherboard. Remove the display assembly. Loosen the captive screws that secure the display assembly cable bracket to the system board. Then lift it off the system board. Disconnect the camera cable and the display cable from the system board. Remove the screws that secure the left and right hinge in place. Now lift the display assembly off the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Install the new display assembly. Grab your replacement display assembly and align it with the mounting points. Once it's lined up, gently place it into position, then replace the screws. Connect the camera cable and the display cable to the system board. Then slide the cable holder back to the system board. Replace the captive screws. Reconnect the battery and screw it back into place. Install the base cover and test power on your laptop. And make sure the new screen works properly. Check for display issues like flickering or dead pixels. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more repair guides. Got any questions or need further help? Drop them in the comments below.